we go again.
This call is recorded for quality and training purposes. A member of our team will be with you shortly. Did you know that you can track your progress from the Bluefin Atlantic Delivery website?
I knew. Your stupid website doesn't work. That's not too bad. That guy knows how to cook.
We are receiving a high volume of calls at the moment. Please stay on the line, and a member of our team will be with you shortly.
Was it all just a fantasy? Where are you now? We're on the imaginary.
We are unable to answer your call at the moment.
What?
Did you know that you can use the Bluefin Atlantic Delivery website to track your delivery progress?
The minute your line's
Visit
open for the past 2 months. Where the hell is my order?
Enter your order number.
Hey, are you recording
Would you like
this?
to complete
Quality
an
and training
8-minute
purposes?
survey
Where the
to
hell is my
contribute
order?
to the
Under the
excellence
seat?
of
Where is
Bluefin
it now?
Atlantic Delivery?
What kind of sick joke is this? I hate this stupid song!